Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll do Moto G40 Fusion unboxing.
OS Android 11. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. CPU: octa-core. Cage: Adreno 618. Internal storage: 64 GB and 128 GB built-in. 1 TB micro SD card expandable. RAM: 4 GB and 6 GB. Sensors: accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, ambient light, sensor hub, fingerprint reader. Security: rear fingerprint reader, security think shield for mobile built-in security. Battery size: 6000 mAh. Charger: Turbo Power 20 Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 capable. Display size 6.8 Max Vision Display technology IPS. Resolution: FHD+, 1080x2460, 396 ppi. Aspect ratio 20.5:9. Screen to body ratio active. Area touch panel, AATP 85%. Dimensions 169.6 x 75.9 x 9.7 mm. Weight 225 gram. Body plastic. Water protection. Water repellent design. Ports: Type-C port, USB 2.0, 1048. Camera. Rear camera hardware: 64 MP, f/l.7, 1.4 pm, quad pixel technology. 8 MP, f/2.2, 112 pm. Ultra-wide angle 1180. Macro vision minimum 2.5 cm focus distance. 2 MP, f/2.4, 1.75 pm depth. Front camera hardware: 16 MP, f/2.2, 1 pm, quad pixel technology. Rear camera software: shot optimization, auto smile capture, gesture selfie, smart composition, HDR, timer, active photos, pro mode, portrait mode, cutout, macro, spot color, cinematograph, panorama, live filter, high-res zoom, raw photo output, best shot, Google Lens integration. Front camera software: HDR, timer, face beauty, auto smile capture, gesture selfie, shot optimization, active photos, pro mode, portrait mode, spot color, cinematograph, group selfie, live filter. Rear camera video software: macro video, slow motion video, time-lapse video, hyperlapse video. Spot color. Front camera hardware: 16 MP, f/2.2, 1 pm, quad pixel technology. Front camera video software: time-lapse video, hyperlapse video. Front camera video capture: UHD 30 frames per second, IFHD 120/60/30 fps. HD 240 frames per second. Rear camera video capture: rear main camera, UHD 30 frames per second, IFHD 120/60/30 fps, IHD 240 frames per second. Rear ultra-wide angle/macro camera: FHD, 30 frames per second. Ported loudspeaker iSmart PA. Headphone jack 3.5mm headset jack. Microphones, 2 microphones. Connectivity: 4G, 3G, 2G. LTE band, total 16 band support. It support 4G+. Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi hotspot. Bluetooth technology, Bluetooth 5.0. Location services: GPS, AGPS, LEP, STJPL, GLONASS. Galileo. SIM card. Hybrid dual SIM, 2 nano SIM/1. Nano SIM plus 1 micro. Pros and cons. Pros: stock Android. No ads and bloatware. Moto G40 support 120Hz HDR display. Good build quality. ThinkShield security. Cons: little bulky. Can't use with single hand. Only 20W charger SD. Thanks for watching.